What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we're making a cat toy. Yes, I got a cat. I got 2 rubber bands and I tied them together, right? I got some tinsel from a Christmas tree and then cut it, right? And also tied the rubber bands to the tinsel, right? Now I got a cat, right? Now we play with it, right?
Obviously, everybody was scared to death by this point. They were under investigation.
Billy Bob.
They were by this point. And so again, baby was kept in the hospital for a really long time, as long as they could.
Medical staff are shocked that Marie and Arthur only visit their son twice in the hospital. It's no surprise to me that when Marie and Arthur
Comment on me yet? Comment. Wait, I want to hold it. Get a good comment on me, Ollie.
After baby Arthur goes home, the cycle of near-death is
Because that's why the baby was.
Oh, Merry Christmas, and I want you, and for Christmas, I want you to give me that back.
January 2nd.
No.
Until journalist Stephen
Bro,
Murray
Mally.
hears of a very similar case of baby death that was proven to be
my.
starts digging
Ah,
into Marie's life.
tinsel the spade.
When we
What
were
the-
trying
what
to
the-
convince people
Oh,
why
I'm sorry, I don't
the
got the
funeral
film,
should be
but.
reopened. Only explanation for it was that the kids had died
The case is reopened, and in the 1980s, the psychological makeup of mothers who kill. Marie fits their profile.
Indicative of many of the traits.
You can't wait in these people. That's what my mom tells me all the day. Comment on me, I count I made it.
Couldn't be a mother and decided to end the lives of her children.
Bruh. Take this tinsel, bruh. You like some tinsel?
Yes.
Hey, you don't meow at me. You want your weird toy? Are you mad? Are you mad? Well, take that toy.